How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of loose belly skin um, after weight loss, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So loose belly skin is pretty common after weight loss, you guys. Generally, a lot of times that loose belly skin is still just excessive fat buildup. In order to get rid of it, the easiest way of doing this is to tighten up the belly area or the ab area. This is by far the simplest way. What will happen is by adding a little bit of muscle to the area, and that's what will happen if you start training it. Not only is the skin going to tighten up, but your waist in general is going to become leaner and thinner as well. So it's amazing. One, you're going to get rid of the loose skin, and two, it's going to tighten up the area really, really nicely. So how do we want to do this? A lot of people just do ab exercises, which is fine. But the best way of doing this is to train your core. Your core is 360 degrees. It's a complete circle around your stomach. So that means the abs, but it also includes the sides and the lower back as well. So you want to be training your abs, the sides, which are the obliques, and the back, which is also the lower back. Make sure you're training all three of those areas, and you'll notice after a while of training those areas, your whole entire waist area is going to be tighter and it's going to be thinner as well. So example, what you could do is for abs, you could do flutter kicks or lower ab raises or leg raises or flutter kicks. The sides for the obliques, you could do a side plank, or you could do a twisting with a dumbbell. Lower back, you could do glute ham raises, hyperextensions, exercises like that. Deadlifts are really good. And yeah, you do that, you're gonna get rid of that belly skin. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.